Since I heard that njahis should be sold at a hardware store or that they taste like mchanga, let me show you how you can sweeten your njahis. First, wash your njahis thoroughly and soak them overnight. But this is completely optional. I love to soak them because I heard nisirutaga gas. By morning, they look like this and they are ready to be boiled. Chitagwo wajiro, and this is the beauty of my culture, the Kikuyu culture. It's not just in the language, it's in the lifestyle. So most of Kikuyu foods are dry, and that's why we need these bananas, tugasi samura, kana gutherukia. And as they are boiling, it is time to mash our njahis. To make this meal, you have to mash everything first. So we mash the njahis first. You can add a pinch of salt, just a pinch, kwa sababu tunaongeza Marigũ meeru or ripe bananas. So they look like this. Now it's time to mash our ripe bananas. Here they are. Don't use lots of them. Just use just a little bit. You will see there. Hata kama nilikata mingi hapa, I did not use all of them. Now it's time to mash our boiled bananas. You boil them until they look like that. I added the water from the boiled bananas, and of course the boiled bananas, that is what we add first. You mash them until they look like that. Then afterwards you can add the ripe bananas. You see, I just added just a little bit. We don't want them to be too sweet, and this is our end product. Now let's see if they are delicious. Reke tũihũrĩre kairĩtu gaka tũigue ũrĩa gekuga. Okay. Now you have a recipe for your mother-in-law, for your grandma, or for your mother. You're welcome. Trust me, you won't regret with this one. Bye bye, Gikuyu Giture.